So we just arrived in Sardinia. Here we are in Budoni, now heading to pick some groceries. And we had an amazing flight. It was short from Trieste. It was like an hour and 15 minutes. Everything went well until we went to car rental, which, okay, the car was already rented online. It was, right? But we had some issues with the baby seat for this one. So, but first it was like all baby seats were really dirty and not in excellent condition, I would say. Yeah. And then what's the name of the company anyway? Moventur. Moventur. Okay. And of course I asked if they can help, but to mount it, but they said that they cannot do it. And also, basically, they just gave us the key for the car. Nobody showed us anything, but yeah. Anyway, we managed somehow to get to the apartment, and which is a real nice place. Great location. It's basically in front of the beach. I want to just show you the apartment real quick. Here is the complex. There is a restaurant, Stella Marina Budoni, and basically we are at the beach. There's the beach, and here they have like these small apartments. We are on the ground floor. Yeah. So it's old, but still really cool. Hey. We have the small kitchen here. Oh, I think it's better this way. Okay, the bathroom just to show. Here's another bedroom, the baby cot, and here on the other side we can go out. Here we have another table, some area to chill here, like a small garden. And yeah, there's a grill spot. We can use that if we want, at least they told us. So yeah, basically the location is really great. Location is really great because basically you're on the beach, and the apartment looks old-fashioned, but I think for what we need is perfect. Today we will go check here, and tomorrow as well, but of course also around. What's also on the plan? San Teodoro, Costa Smeralda, Olbia as well. Oh, cool, nice. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of the Sardinia vlog. On our first day we explored the beach right in front of the apartment and enjoyed a meal at the local restaurant Stella Marina Budoni. The second day greeted us with rain, so we decided to visit the city of Olbia. In the morning I found a small gym in Budoni, about 20-minute walk from the apartment, and got in a workout. Tanya, you will skip today? You go afternoon. You don't skip leg day? Never. But I think you have the upper body today, or? Just finished the workout at the fitness gym Budoni. A small gym with very old equipment, but still it gets the job done. So 80 euros for a day pass, which is not a lot. I asked the guy if he can make an offer if I take a weekly pass also with Tanya. So it would be, let's say, he asked how many times we would work out, so I said, let's say 4 times. It would be 5 euros per person per day, and it's a nice price. I'm not sure if I will still be training here at this gym. Maybe I will try also in Olbia. I did some research and saw a gym that it offers 5 euros for day pass, but it's better equipped than this one, and they also give you an espresso with it, so basically you can have your coffee before the workout, and it's quite cheap for 5 euros. Yeah, now heading to the apartment. And speaking about Olbia, I think because today it's quite rainy weather, it's cloudy, now it rains a little bit, we will go to Olbia to explore the city a little and maybe eat there. Anyway, I think Tanya has picked already some spots to watch because she did some research where we want to go, where she want to go, where she want to take some pictures, for example, and so we will see how it will go with the day, and hopefully tomorrow will be the weather will be better, so we can have some more beach time on the sun. It was 28 degrees yesterday when we arrived. It was quite hot, but nice. Today I think it's about 22, and we'll see how it will go. So I will catch up with you guys later. In Olbia, we strolled through the city's charming streets, and since it was October, it wasn't too crowded, though the main street was busy. We had lunch at Mango's restaurant. As expected, it was pricey with small portions, but the food was delicious. So here they usually give you with the bread, their typical bread is called bread carousel. Carousel. Very thin, like a paper. On the third day, the sun came out, but it was still quite windy, so we skipped the beach. I started the day with a workout at a great gym in Siniscola that opens at 6 a.m. Hey, what's up? So I just finished workout in the Black Officine gym in Siniscola, which is about 20 kilometers or even some, I think a little less from Budoni, from where we are currently on Sardinia. And I must say that this is the gym I was looking for because it's open from 6 a.m. until midnight. Basically, you get a pass, and you can go anytime during that period, even if the owner is not there. Well, I was there for the first time today, and I was lucky because somebody was already there. I mean, lucky. It was a little faster everything because I didn't have to write to the owner or call on WhatsApp, but when I entered, of course, I sent a message and they told me, of course, do your workout, and they gave me some options if I want a daily pass, weekly pass, monthly pass. I decided for a weekly pass because it's 25 euros, and I think I will go at least 3 more times, and today, so it's 4 times for 25 euros, which is great. I also asked about the little one, Leon, because I think Tanya would also like to work out. They told me no problem, the little one can come with you, so hopefully Tanya will be in the mood to train, yeah, so probably we will go, all 3 of us. What I also like about the gym is the equipment. They have a really good equipment, and it's big enough. It's not really big, but it's big enough. So especially in the morning, I was there, it was like 6:30 a.m. and people started to arrive at after 7:30 a.m. So but still there were like 4 people in there. So yeah, basically I think I will work out in this gym, and it's a good one. Later we explored Posada, a small town between Budoni and Siniscola, with its beautiful narrow streets and colorful hillside houses. At the top of the hill is Fava Castle. We didn't go inside as we would had to leave the stroller and carry Leon the entire time. Tickets are 5 euros per person.
So this is not an option for us. That's why we're gonna take which road?
This one here.
Here we go. Looks really nice. This city is already way much nicer than like Olbia. or Budoni. We really like it. It has a charm. Let's go! Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Going on one row, one wheel. Whee! One in the up.
Two actually.
Two up, two down. Woo.
So this is the road towards the Fava castle. It's quite steep. So basically you need to leave the stroller down and carry the baby up here. Heading towards the beach and trying to get a good sunrise, hopefully. We will see. So how was the lunch today here?
We had a fish. I think it was one of the better ones since we are in Sardinia. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. It's also, I mean, it's not the cheapest one, but still, I think the food was quality, well, tasty. So yeah, it was great. Our next stop was Berchida Beach, a lovely sandy spot. Unfortunately, it was cloudy and windy, so we opted for a picnic instead of swimming. Since it was October, only one beach bar was open and the parking was still €2.50 per hour. Finally, it's less windy today and we arrived at Berchida Beach, or in Italian Spiaggia di Berchida. Okay. So hopefully today we will catch some sun. Of course, we have some fun on the beach because yesterday it was windy, the day before that it was rainy, so I think today it's going to be a great day.
Yes.
Yes. On the fifth day, we visited Costa Smeralda, specifically Capriccioli Beach, our favorite so far. It's a small beach that usually gets crowded, but since it was off-season, it was peaceful and we enjoyed a nice swim. The beach has beautiful rocks reminiscent of the Seychelles, with crystal clear water and soft sand, a true gem. Afterward, we headed to Porto Cervo, which turned out to be underwhelming. Apart from yachts and overpriced stores and restaurants, there wasn't much to see or do. So where we just arrived?
Porto Cervo?
Porto Cervo?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're looking for
coffee.
Yes, coffee. And we took the road up. Porto Cervo? Cervo. Well, expensive. A lot of boats. Nice neighborhood. But all the expensive like restaurants, shops, and not really stroller friendly. So we had to carry it quite a lot.
Isuledda Beach in San Teodoro was another great find. After a short rocky path from the parking lot, there's a wooden walkway that leads right to the beach, making it stroller friendly. As always in Sardinia, the water was crystal clear and the sand was soft. Later I hit the gym, and for our post-workout meal we had the best pizza in Sardinia.
So we did a little bit of research for the best pizza in Sardinia, and we found quite a few ones, and this one was the closest one to us, and it really looks delicious. Bon appetit!
Perfect.
What do you have?
I have pizza with tuna, pesto, tomatoes and mozzarella. And what do you have?
Mortadella and burrata e pistachio.
Perfect. Well, after finishing the pizzas, I can confirm that this probably is the number one in Sardinia and in the top 3 in Italy.
Yeah, delicious.
Leon also approved.
Delicious pizza. We would definitely recommend.
Possibly one of the top 3 in Italy, at Pizzeria da Daniele in Limpidu, a small town near Budoni. If you're after a big, satisfying cup of coffee, you must try Il Mio Caffè in Siniscola.
So we got 2 cappuccinos, 1 extra large, almost like my head. 1 a little bit smaller, and the croissants were out, but he was so kind to give some pistachio cream on it. Love it!
Later we visited the town of Orgosolo, famous for its murals. Nearly every building is covered in graffiti, some beautiful, others not so much. Many of them carry messages about World War II. So this is a wrap up of our vacation in Sardinia. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.